Okay, I'm just going to throw this scenario out to you. This is just my personal research, but I'm sure it's been researched by many others before. Now, think about what just happened with AI Atlas. Now, if you didn't follow any of the progress or any of the news or anything like that, this was actually not a comet. It was not a comet. And if you do your research, you can see that this comet has been by us 3 other times within our history, our BC history, okay? 3 times this comet has come around our atmosphere, not our atmosphere, but our universe. And it did certain tracks the first 2 times. This time it came back. It was bigger. It was irregular of size than it was the first 2 times. The first 2 times it passed through, if you look at science history or anything like that, it came back when the Egyptians, during the Egyptians' war against the Christianity war, those were the 2 times it came by. Now it's coming by now, and it's obviously changed in diameter. It's changed in growth of speed rating. And the fact that it can stop and go at its leisure just says many, many things. Now, let's look at our history when it comes to the Egyptians, when it comes to the Christianity war. All of those resulted in mass destruction in our planet, mass destruction, but then serial growth. Now, in the 50s to the 70s, I'm pretty sure that the government kind of figured that out, or they had known that in scripture or something like that. But I think that was most beginning signs that they were checking in to make sure that we're not trying to kill ourselves. Now, when that happened, that was in the middle of the Cold War. So they were like, look, you've killed yourselves over and over again. Let's stop this Cold War nonsense. And I think they thought that having cold fusion on our planet was probably a bad idea. Now, they're back again. Look at our planet, people. Do you love thy neighbor? No, very rarely. You can say you do. You can say that you love somebody, but actions speak way louder than words. So if you love somebody, how much do you help them? How much do you help them survive? How many times do you get tired of helping them? And how many times do you just give